There we go. Well, hi, Abby. You come to see your sister? Good girl. Good
Do you
girl.
need me to do anything for you?
Liz? No thanks, honey. Hi, Pippa. You're waiting inside. Bless you, Terry. You made her jump. You sneezed. She jumped up. Alrighty. Well, there's Terry. Alright, baby. We're going to go back to sleep now. And see you in a few.